Two phones, one rivalry that defines the industry. The Galaxy S26 Ultra versus the iPhone 17 Pro Max. Both claim to be the smartest, fastest, and most advanced phones ever made. But only one truly delivers when it counts. From raw power to camera brilliance and AI innovation. This is the ultimate face-off between Apple and Samsung. And this time, it's closer than ever. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe. Let's jump in. Design and display. At first glance, both phones are instantly recognizable. But look closer, and you'll see how far they've evolved. The iPhone 17 Pro Max keeps the titanium frame, but slims down the bezels even more. It's now one of the most compact Pro Max phones ever. Meanwhile, Samsung's S26 Ultra refines its boxy design. Flatter sides, cleaner corners, and a lighter titanium finish that finally feels balanced. And then comes the display. Both are incredible. But Samsung's 6.9-inch QHD Plus AMOLED is rumored to hit a mind-blowing 3,000 nits of brightness. Apple's OLED still nails true-to-life colors, but Samsung's new 2,600 nit panel, paired with that adaptive refresh rate, just feels smoother and sharper outdoors. There's even talk of a new Flex Magic feature, a built-in privacy mode that makes the screen harder to see from the side. Classic Samsung move, performance and power. When it comes to raw power, both phones are playing serious games this year. Apple's A19 Pro chip inside the iPhone 17 Pro Max is built on a next-gen 2nm process. Faster, cooler, and more efficient than ever, with better AI handling and smarter on-device Siri responses. But Samsung's not backing down. The Galaxy S26 Ultra ships with two chipsets. The Snapdragon 8 Gen 5 Elite in the US, Canada, Japan, and China, and Samsung's own Exynos 2600 for global markets. Leaks say the Exynos 2600 might be Samsung's most ambitious chip yet. 6 times faster AI than Apple's A19 Pro, up to 75% stronger GPU, and around 15% higher CPU power. Even compared to Snapdragon, it's reportedly faster in AI and graphics, while using less energy. So, while Apple still leads in single-core efficiency and thermal control, Samsung's clearly chasing the multi-core and AI crown. And for once, the Exynos version might actually be worth getting excited about. Camera. Now let's talk cameras, because this is where things get wild. The iPhone 17 Pro Max continues with its triple setup. A 48MP main, 12MP ultra-wide, and 12MP periscope. But Apple's rumored to be improving its night mode and cinematic video with even better AI-driven HDR. Samsung's S26 Ultra, on the other hand, pushes the limits again. A 200MP main sensor, 50MP periscope, 12MP ultra-wide, and a 10MP telephoto. This time, Samsung's focusing on natural detail and faster image processing with AI scene optimization. Apple nails consistency and realism. Samsung brings sharpness and flexibility. Both have their edge, but it really comes down to what kind of creator you are. Battery and charging. Apple's efficiency is unmatched, and the iPhone 17 Pro Max still offers one of the best battery lives on any phone. But Samsung's going bigger with a 5,500 mAh cell and improved cooling. Charging speeds? Still faster, with up to 65W wired versus Apple's slow 27W. So while Apple lasts longer on standby, Samsung wins when you need that quick top-up. Final thoughts. At the end of the day, it's a clash of perfection and power. The iPhone 17 Pro Max is about polish, balance, and seamless integration, while the Galaxy S26 Ultra is about dominance, customization, and pure capability. Two philosophies, two titans. But the question is, which one would you choose? Let me know in the comments. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more honest tech breakdowns.